Slightly different today. Kielder Forest Park in Northumberland on a less than clear day. There's normally a nice view down there, as mentioned on this sign. We're at the top of Deadwater Fell, getting ready to do the black descent. Whoa! Into the woods. Hello everyone, we're out in Kielder Forest today in Northumberland. We're going to be doing the Deadwater trails, mostly red with a bit of black, about 10 miles in length. There's also the Lonesome Pine trails that you can do, but we're going to be doing the Deadwater trails today. A lot of water on the ground today. Descent already. I think this goes up over again. Nice little switchback climbs. Oh, boardwalk. Nice little section that to get started on. Back on the fire road. Yeah, like 2 metres away from the trail.
Down the bank.
Seat's not... Oh, my seat's already down. That's why it won't go down. Dropping in, a couple of berms on this. Water roots. Oh, nice berms as well. Oh, that's a tight one. Oh, nice rock garden. Right, 3 dogs climb up to the top of Deadwater. Looks like a bit of a switchback climb. Oh, some technical features. Not a bad climb this. Quite enjoyable, nice views. Nice big drop there. What can we get through here? I think we could get through last time. Hey, I'm coming off the trail. Hey! It's a nice technical trail. Trail features include rocky sections.
More beyond your skill level.
Beyond all our skill levels. Right, this is 3 dogs descent. I've never done this one before. We've always gone past it. Oh, that's a drop. Oh, nice. Whoa! Yeah. A bit slippy today. Wait! Whew. And here's where we came up before. Quite good fun this. Now, I have ridden this before, but it was a long time ago. And it's one of the shorter, smaller trail centres, but it's worth a visit. They're a lot more natural, these trails, than most trail centres. Heading up the black climb now, a bit of a rocky track, and a bit of a descent before we get to the main red trail on this. It's supposed to be a nice view up the top here. I've never done this bit before. Some peculiar buildings up the top here. don't know what that is. Flight safety, navigational aid. Ah. These are the start of the Black Descent. I think that's the hut over there. There's normally a nice view down there, as mentioned on this sign. We're at the top of Deadwater Fell, getting ready to do the Black Descent. Oh, it's quite a fast descent. Very rocky. Whoa! Bloody hell. Jesus. Whoa! Absolutely lethal. It's really loose. Whoa! Jesus Christ. Ow! Oh, that's right on my shin. You bugger. Ah. Ah. Oh, that hurts. Oh, gosh, it's loose. It's slipping. It's a lot rougher than I thought it would be. Ah, the red coming up there. Oh, that was alright, that. Heard mixed reviews of that, I quite enjoyed it. Right, are we ready? Right, into the Valley Red Trail. Hey, Jesus. It's a bit slippy today. Quite dark in these woods, hopefully see it on the camera. Nice jump. Oh, nice big rock. There's features on this. It. Oh, it's good fun, this. Loads of little drops and stuff. Big wide berms. Wow. Hey. Oh, this is nice. Way. That was good. Oh, it's a nice descent, that one, isn't it? It's quite, there's lots of drops on it and stuff, isn't there?
Yeah, it's very easy.
Climb at the other side of this.
Yeah.
Jimmy's Hill. Hey, there's the climb. Oh my god, look at this for a climb. Looks like you can go 2 ways. Oh. Oh, that's hard. Really technical climbing. Oh, it's hard. Oh.
Twist and shout. Midges are kicking in.
Right, twist and shout. Red trail. This is a nice descent. Oh, tight and twisty. Plenty of berms. Felled all the trees since the last time I was here, I think. The woods. Oh. Quite a long section of trail there. There we go. That was fun. Twist and shout.